Alright, so I'm gonna let you guys into a little secret, but you can't tell anyone. I have this roommate. Her name is Rachel. And, dude, she is a fucking whore. I mean, humongous whore. She's like sleeping around with everybody. Now she's fucking pregnant and she's saying that I did it. I mean, what the fuck? Seriously. Okay, I sleep with dudes, not fucking chicks.
Baby. How you
Hey.
doing?
Pretty good. How are you?
Pretty good.
Dude. Look.
What you been doing?
Oh, we're a little too close.
I mean, aren't we together?
Rachel, no, we're not.
That's your baby. Do you not see this?
That's not my way.
Do you not see this? We're gonna start
Rachel.
a family together.
No, we can't.
Please, don't leave me. Please. You can't do this to me,
I'm
please.
sorry.
Please.
Okay. I don't sleep with chicks.
You can't do this to me.
I don't sleep with chicks.
How did you do this? We're having a fucking baby.
You need a doctor. You are mentally retarded.